Life is an endless adventure. With every journey, we're always chasing the balance of freedom and ease. The Chill Be Cooler backpack, light yet tough. Takes you further. Wherever you go, it keeps your steps fresh. Through wild landscapes or city streets, it moves with you. Calm under the blazing sun. Delivering a cool sense of freedom. From dawn to dusk, it quietly supports, letting every moment be free and easy. Always providing comfort, always within reach. Chill Be Cooler backpack, freedom to go further.